everybody, it's Peg, and today I am starting on the February full moon. That is the snow moon according to the calendar. And let me tell you, we have had plenty of snow. So let's get started. I've got a few pictures of what the snow has been doing around here, a picture of the moon as I captured it out my door. And I also have this is some of that gel printed paper that we did the other day on the live show. Shell and I do a live show each week. So I'm going to clip that down. I've got a board here with a craft mat on it. I'm going to clip that down on my craft mat because I want to add some color to that. I've got out some Distress ink. I think I might actually start with some paint. I've got a little Payne's Gray. And it's kind of a blue-gray, which I think would be good for the sky. It's getting kind of thick. So I just want to water that down a bit. Grab a brush with some water. Thin that out just a little bit. Because what I want is more of a wash here. So I'm just going to get that started with that Payne's Gray. And get my water spritz bottle. And spritz that. Because what I want it to do is run across my page. And just do a little bit of that cloudiness in the sky. So that's looking pretty good. Still want a little bit of darkness up here. So let me just dry this off, clean things up. Okay, so now I want to add a little bit of something for the background. And in order to do that, I'm going to get just a little bit more. This is a Prussian blue hue. I got a little paint mess on here. Clean that off. And all I want is a dot. No more than that. My goobers. And I've got a little bit of gesso still here. I'm going to kind of mix that together with that Prussian blue because the effect I'm going for is that, you know, look, that cloudy look that we're seeing in the sky. So I want to add some of that back into the sky here. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of titanium white to that. Oops, should have shaken that better. A lighter blue, just quite light. That wasn't quite what I was looking for, but get a little bit of the wispy cloud here into the sky. And I will just take a rag, clean that off, and hit that with a heat tool again. Some faded jeans here. Just trying to get a little bit of darkness on the edge. I'm liking that. And also got a little black soot. There we go. deep, dark night sky here. All right, so I'm liking this so far. What I want to do is, I went out and I looked at my stash to see what kind of tree images I had. I had this one. I've got this thing here, which is kind of a leafy thing. I've got this tree, which is a Stampscape. And what I'm looking for is, if you look at this photo, there's some tree branches that are coming up across the moon in this area. So I think I'm going to just take some black archival, or here, let me get some. This has been working pretty good for me. This is a Color Fusion, which is a blend of inks. And I just want to stamp that branchy image here. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for right there. Get another one down here. A few more branchy things here, like so. All right, I'm liking that. And I've also got, you see that? I've also got this image from Penny Black. And the thing I don't like about this image is how square this corner is. So I am thinking I want to alter this image and get rid of that square. So I'm going to grab a pair of scissors. I can find the right ones here. There we go. I'm going to grab a pair of scissors, and I am going to change the looks of the stamp just by cutting off a corner, like so. And this image here, take that out of there. I like that a lot better. Still don't like this straight edge, but we'll deal with that. So what I'm thinking is, I probably won't ink this one, ink this image. I will ink this over here. So let me get my black. And clean up my palette a little bit. Actually, I could use that. Well, whatever. I don't want to get that wet because we're going to stamp now. Okay, so I'm just going to take that black ink this portion of this image. Because I like the rest of this. Just don't like that particular corner. So we'll see what we got. See how we did with this. Stamp this down here. And see if this turned out the way I was hoping for. Now it went right over the moon, which I didn't hope for. So I'll need to fix that. Get a little bit of gesso and a small brush. It's just Liquitex Basics. Actually, that's got a little bit of yellow in it, which doesn't bother me in the least, because I wanted to add some yellow to the edge. And let's just get a little bit of a halo out here. And a little bit of a dry brush up in here too. All right, so liking the looks of that a lot better. Might have to dry that layer. A little bit more. Okay. All right, so building a scene here. I'm going to take some of that white no, I'm not. I was gonna do something that was not in the picture. Changed my mind. What I am gonna do is grab my marabou and yellow. These are crayons. Just want to get a little halo of that yellow around the moon here. Okay. And I also want to stamp a few of these trees down at the bottom. Just another layer. There we go. Liking that. Just wiping my ink off of my stamps that I've used here. That's about all it takes, a little bit of water and a rag. And now I need some pens. So what have I got? I've just got a cheap, that's not really what I wanted. Where's my, yeah, here's an This is just a dollar store pen. It's an RX. Get this in here a little bit closer. And what I want to do is create some of that wispy tree image that I'm seeing in the original. The stamping is just a basis for creating. Gives me some idea where I want to go with these branches.